open the chips.
The chips.
Rip it open, rip it open, rip it open, rip it open, rip it open. Rip it open, rip it open. Yes, got it open. Scoot this out. This is so hard to open. Can you help? This is so hard to open. I can't open it.
The other way.
We got the winner rare treat. We got the rare treat. That's why it was so hard. This is so lucky. We're so lucky. That means the eye sticker is not what is inside. Take this out. Let's get this eye sticker out. I'm not taking this eye sticker out. Okay, I have a better way now. Let's take off this sticker. Go and take my toast. This eye sticker, we got a winner rare treat inside. We got a rare treat. It's literally this thing. You would like pull it out. What do we got? Macarons. It smells worse. I think I can feel some inside.
Chips.
Well, I definitely crushed something. No, there's chips. Let's prepare this together. Let's read what this is. We're so lucky to get this rare treat. Ragu macaron comes out at night to give sweet treats to his friends. Let's read all of them now. First, we're not going to read them. We're not going to read the ones that we already written. We're going to read it. Paradise Parrot looks like a melon box with the biggest, brightest eyes in town. The first one in fruit cup. Berry Pop loves to have a bouncing good time and very sweet. It's also from the fruit cup. Soda, the first one, the tiger, we haven't written. Orange, you glad, citrus stripes is cuddly and sweet. You'll never have to worry with her by your side. Fizzy fish, we haven't written. Pet squirrel never lets the sauce get busy. Little mojo, salty and sweet is the best way to describe little mojo's adorable personality. Whale aid is too cute to be sad. She always looks at life through whaley positive eyes. Fruity Fox is a foxy and crisp with good looks. Fruity Pup reality written. Crunch and Roll, we haven't. Okay. Crunch and Roll loves to get her kids by cereal, absolutely taking care of her friends. Our rare treat, Sugar Fan always stays with the but stands out with the rainbow tail. Okay, we're halfway there. Colonel Kitty is, you better believe that Colonel Kitty is pumping with personality. Caramel, without being too horny, you'll have an absolute hoot hanging out with Caramel. Bouncy Bear is so sweet that you'll barely be able to keep your hands off of her. Jelly Oink, don't be jelly. Jelly Oink is sweet. Enough to share. 2 more. Don't get Chip Duck's feature. Ruffle, as a crunchy snack, is all she needs. Cheese Pup loves to tell jokes, even though the other Foodie Roos think his jokes are too cheesy. Last one, cookies. Choco Pup never has a chip on his shoulder. He always brushes it off little crumbs. Cookie Cub hibernates for winter, but doubles up the treats for the rest of your year. We're doing, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. We're about 1 million subscribers, so please subscribe. Don't forget to bye.